Hi friends, you are most welcome on my YouTube channel, that is Digital Marketing with Gaurav. Today our topic is WhatsApp marketing interview questions and answers. So in this video we are going to see what kind of questions frequently asked in any social media marketing interview for WhatsApp marketing. So let's start. Here these all questions is covered in four different categories, that is basic, intermediate, advanced questions, and after that situational and case based questions we are going to cover. And there are almost 35 questions in this particular video. So let's start one by one. Here basic question. First question is, what is WhatsApp marketing? Answer: WhatsApp marketing is a strategy where businesses use WhatsApp to communicate with customers, promote products, and offer support. It allows brands to send personalized messages, updates, and automated responses, making customer engagement more direct and interactive. Next question we are moving on. Why is WhatsApp important for marketing? Answer is, WhatsApp has over 2 billion active users worldwide, and messages sent on WhatsApp have a 98% open rate. Unlike emails or SMS, WhatsApp messages are instant, interactive, and cost effective, making it a powerful marketing tool. Third number question is, how is WhatsApp business different from WhatsApp Messenger? Answer: WhatsApp Messenger designed for personal chats, while the WhatsApp business is created for businesses, offering features like automated messages, quick replies, and product catalog to enhance customer communications. Next question, fourth number, what is the WhatsApp Business API? Answer is, WhatsApp Business API is a tool for medium and large businesses to send bulk SMSs, automate conversation, and integrate WhatsApp with CRM systems. Unlike the regular WhatsApp Business app, it requires approval and is often used for large scale customer support and marketing. Fifth number question is, what are the key features of WhatsApp Business? Answer: business profile, that means company name, address, website, emails. Quick replies, that is the pre-saved responses for FAQs. And automated messages, just like greetings and away messages. Catalog options, showcase products like online store. After that, labels. Labels is a organized customer chats into categories. These all key features include the WhatsApp businesses. Sixth number question, how can businesses use WhatsApp effectively? Answer: businesses use WhatsApp effectively by send personalized offers to customer, use WhatsApp broadcast to send updates without creating groups, offer customer support via instant messaging, run click to WhatsApp ads on Facebook and Instagram pages. Seventh number question, what is the difference between WhatsApp groups and broadcast list? Answer: group allows multiple people to chat together based for customer communities, while the broadcast list send messages to many people but responses come privately, useful for promotions and updates. These two differences are between groups and broadcast list in WhatsApp. Eight number question, how do you businesses build a WhatsApp contact list? Answer: what WhatsApp contact list businesses build by add a chat with us on WhatsApp button on their website. Add a button, that is the chat with us on WhatsApp button on their website. First. Second, use QR code in stores, packaging, or social media. Third point, offer discount or exclusive content in exchange for opting in. Ninth number question, can businesses send bulk messages on WhatsApp? Answer is yes, but only through WhatsApp Businesses API. Sending bulk messages from a personal or business account without user consent can get the account banned. 10th number question, what are the WhatsApp's policies for marketing messages? Answer is, businesses must get user consent before sending messages. No spam or excessive promotions. Third point is no misleading content or fake news. So these are all policies. Consider WhatsApp policies for marketing messages. After that, we are moving on the intermediate type of questions. What questions can be expect? How does WhatsApp Businesses API help businesses? Answer is it automates customer interactions and timely updates and integrates with CRM like HubSpot or Salesforce. This makes communications efficient and scalable. 12th number question is what are the quick replies in WhatsApp businesses? Answer quick replies are pre-saved responses for frequently asked questions. For example, customer, customer, what are your business hours? Then we are sending quick replies on behalf of WhatsApp. We are open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Saturday. This can be set up the quick replies on WhatsApp businesses. 13 number question. Now, how can businesses use WhatsApp status for marketing? Answer WhatsApp status is like Instagram stories. Businesses can use it to share a special discount or and offers. Second, customer testimonials, product launches and updates. So we can leverage the status feature of WhatsApp marketing. 14th number question. What is the click to chat in WhatsApp? Answer click to chat lets customers start a WhatsApp conversation with a business without saving the number. This is commonly used in ads, websites, and email signatures. 15th number question. How can businesses track WhatsApp marketing performance? Answer is monitor response rate, how many people reply. Second, track conversions, just like sales or inquiries from WhatsApp. And third point is use UTM tracking links to measure traffic from WhatsApp messages. 16 number, can businesses run ads on WhatsApp? Answer WhatsApp doesn't have direct ads, but businesses can use click to WhatsApp ads on Facebook and Instagram to drive traffic to their WhatsApp chat. 17th number, what is WhatsApp chatbot? Answer a WhatsApp chatbot is a AI powered assistant that automatically responds to customer queries. It helps businesses handle FAQs, take orders, and provide customer support 24/7. 18th number question. How does WhatsApp integrate with CRM systems? Answer WhatsApp Businesses API connects with CRMs like Zoho, Salesforce, and HubSpot to manage customer conversation, track interactions, and improve response rates. 19th number question. What are the benefits of WhatsApp marketing compared to SMS? Answer is higher open rates, 98% versus 20% for SMS. Here we can see 98% response rate for WhatsApp marketing compared to SMS marketing, and supports multimedia. That is another advantage. Images, videos, and PDFs you can also send to the WhatsApp marketing. And last point is no extra cost for users. 20 number question. How can WhatsApp improve customers' loyalty? Answer by offering personalized discount, instant customer support, and exclusive content. Businesses can make customers feel valued and engaged. 21 number question. Here we are moving on the advanced questions, which is maybe asked by the interviewer for social media marketing interview. What are the WhatsApp message templates? Answer pre-approved message format used in WhatsApp Business API for notifications like order updates, appointment reminders, and payment confirmations are the message templates that considered by the WhatsApp. 22 number question. How can businesses avoid getting blocked on WhatsApp? Answer send messages only to users who opted in. Another point is provide valuable content, not just promotions. Third number, limit message frequency to avoid spam complaints. 23rd number question. What is the WhatsApp green tick verification? Answer. It's a verified business badge given by WhatsApp to official businesses. It helps build trust and credibility with customers. 24th number question is, how does WhatsApp end-to-end encryption affect marketing? Answer is, all messages are encrypted, meaning WhatsApp and third parties cannot read them. This ensures privacy but limit data tracking for businesses. 25th number question. What are the session messages in WhatsApp Business API? Answer is, messages extend within 24 hours of a customer's last message. Businesses can send free form messages without pre-approved templates. 26th number question. How can WhatsApp be used for lead generation? Answer. Running click to WhatsApp ads, offering free resources just like ebooks, discount codes via WhatsApp, and collecting customer details through WhatsApp chat forms. We can generate lead through the WhatsApp. Is 27th number question. How does WhatsApp web help businesses? WhatsApp web allows businesses to respond to messages from a desktop, making it easier for teams to manage conversations. 28th number. Can WhatsApp integrate with e-commerce platforms? Yes. Businesses can connect WhatsApp with Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento to send order confirmation and track deliveries. 29th number question. What is WhatsApp Pay and how does it help businesses? Answer. WhatsApp Pay allows customers to send payments directly through WhatsApp, making transactions seamless. 30 number question. What strategies can improve WhatsApp engagement rate? Answer is, use rich media. Just include in rich media. Use images, GIFs, and videos. Personalized messages using customer names. And time messages strategically. Avoid late night text. And here is situational and case-based questions. First question is, how would you handle a negative reviews on WhatsApp? Acknowledge the issue politely. Apologize and offer a solution. Take the conversation to private chat if needed. 32nd question. If a customer stops responding, what would you do? Answer. Send a gentle follow-up. Offer a limited time discount. And respect their decision to opt out. These all options we can choose while the customer stop responding us on the WhatsApp. 33rd number question. How would you create a WhatsApp marketing campaign for a product launch? Answer is, announce the launch via WhatsApp status, send exclusive early bird discount, use click to WhatsApp ads. Through this, we can launch our product launch campaign on the WhatsApp marketing. Thank you for watching my video for the WhatsApp marketing. Here is a quote. I'm going to read this quote. There can be glory in failure and despair in success. This quote is given by the Abraham Lincoln. So thank you watching my video once again. Please do like this video and do subscribe. And we'll see in next video in second part of the WhatsApp marketing. Thank you.